Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, my room's a mess, but that's not what I'm gonna be showing you. You know how my birds are. Funny guys, whatever. So this is Peaches, the yellow one. She's a female. The other one is a male. His name is Blueberry. He's scared. Look. So I open the door. I'm gonna put my hand in. They don't like me. Neither of them. Come on. Why don't you like me? See, it's super hard, so I don't do it. Nemo, come in here. Kitty, cute kitty. Kitty. Come here. Oh. Kitty. I'm right here. Come on. Kitty. Yeah, having 2 birds and 1 cat. And a fish. I have a fish. I have a fish, guys. You know, I used to have a fish named Blue that was the same as him, but sadly he passed away. But I have another fish. Sorry if I'm talking quiet like this. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Oh, room's a mess, yay. I'm gonna be recording for a while. I'm probably gonna be recording going to Dollar Store. Wait, what? Dollar Board. Just kidding, I was doing that because James called it. I don't know. James is from the Odd Ones Out. Yeah. Sure. Okay, bye. Bye.